In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the voice mode in Claude AI to chat with it to carry out different kind of tasks using the voice mode. So assuming you don't want to type on your screen in the chat area, you get tired of typing or you miss your mouse or you just want to talk to AI directly, you can use the voice mode in here. So all you need is to select it, click it. Hello, I just want to test a particular concept. I'm a lecturer in civil engineering and I want you to predict or just give me an idea into the areas that a civil engineer can be relevant today in our current scenario or current problems in Nigeria.
Brilliant question, Dr. Rashid. Let me search for the most current civil engineering challenges in Nigeria so I can give you something genuinely relevant to what's happening there right now. Right, so there are genuinely pressing areas where civil engineers are absolutely crucial in Nigeria right now. The big ones are road infrastructure. You've got over 200,000 kilometers of road network, but much of it is deteriorating and poorly maintained. Then there's the power and water infrastructure gaps.
So you can go ahead, give it more. Yeah, so in this area, can you specifically tell me where a hydraulics engineer is going to be relevant? For example, in the dam design, do you have any specific area within the northern Nigeria that we can quite apply hydraulics concepts?
Right, excellent question. Let me search for specific hydraulics and water infrastructure projects in northern Nigeria so I can give you concrete examples rather than general ideas. Perfect. So there are genuinely excellent concrete examples for hydraulics engineers in northern Nigeria. You've got the Niger Dams project in Kwara, Niger, and Kebbi State, which includes Kainji, Jebba, and Shiroro dams on the Niger and Kaduna rivers. There's also the more recent Zungeru.
So I think this is a very fantastic way to kind of chat with Claude. If you can use the voice mode feature, you can directly be conversing and going back and forth as you so wish. And at any given point, you can play to the read aloud feature to be able to have the AI read directly the chat or the text that you are working on. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.